students in a series of topics in commercial arithmetic. Today's topic is profit or loss in special reference to word problems. Here is your first word problem, that is Rachna bought a sari for rupees 1150 and sold it to her friend for rupees 1070. Find her profit or loss. See, at first understand the question that Rachna bought a sari for rupees 1150. It means cost price of sari equals to rupees 1150 and she sold it to her friend in rupees 1070. It means selling price of sari equals to rupees 1070. Now just observe this, cost price is greater than the selling price. It means there is a loss, and in case of loss the formula is cost price minus selling price. So we will find out the loss, rupees 1150 minus rupees 1070, that is equals to rupees 80. It means her loss equals to rupees 80. Next question is, a dealer bought 20 TV sets for 3150 each, paid rupees 360 as the cartage for all and sold these at rupees 3500 each. Find its profit or loss. So here understand this question. Here what is given to you? Cost price of one television set, that is rupees 3150, and dealer bought 20 television sets. So at first we will find out the cost price of 20 TV sets, that is rupees 3150 multiplied by 20. It means equals to rupees 63,000. Now he gave cartage to, that is rupees 360, and sold it in rupees 3500 each. So cartage paid equal to rupees 360 and total cost price will be 63,000 plus 360 means rupees 63,360. That is the total cost price which we will consider for profit or loss. Now just see what is the selling price. Selling price of one TV sets equals to rupees 3500. So, what is the selling price of 20 sets? 3500 multiplied by 20, it means rupees 70,000. Now, just observe, total cost price equals to rupees 63,360 and total selling price equal to 70,000. Selling price is greater. It means there is a profit. And how we will calculate the profit? Selling price minus cost price. So just subtract it, 70,000 minus 63,360. Here we will subtract the total cost price. And profit is 6,640 rupees. That is a profit. Next question is, a fruit vendor bought 10 kilogram of mangoes for rupees 350. He sold them in 42 rupees per kg. How much profit did he make for 1 kilogram mangoes? Here we need to find out the profit for 1 kilogram mangoes. So at first understand the question and solve this step by step. A fruit vendor bought 10 kilogram of mangoes for rupees 350. It means cost price of 10 kilogram mangoes equals to rupees 350. We will find out cost price of 1 kilogram mangoes, that is 350 divided by 10, it means rupees 35. And selling price of mangoes of 1 kilogram mangoes, that is rupees 42. So what is this? Here is profit or loss? Here is profit. Profit equal to selling price minus cost price. So it is 42 minus 35, that is rupees 7. So we can say profit made for 1 kilogram of mangoes is rupees 7. Next question is, a book is bought for rupees 97.50 and sold by incurring loss of rupees 12.35. Find the selling price of the book. So here what is given to you? First thing is cost price of book, that is rupees 97.50, and second is loss, that is rupees 12.35. You need to find out the selling price. So always remember, in case of loss, selling price is less than cost price. It means selling price equals to cost price minus loss, that is 97.50 minus rupees 12.35, and selling price is 85.15, right? Next question is, a bicycle is sold for rupees 2140 by making a profit of rupees 153. Find the cost price. So here what is given to you? Selling price of bicycle, that is rupees 2140, and profit also given, that is rupees 150. Always remember, in case of profit, cost price is always less than selling price. It means cost price will be selling price minus profit. So just calculate it, 2140 minus rupees 153, and your answer is rupees 1987. That is the cost price of bicycle. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.